What if I told you that everything you see on a screen, messages, names, labels, emails, is stored as data, not numbers, not lists, text. Text is everywhere in programming. Python handles text using something powerful called a string. In this lesson, we will create strings, break them into pieces, join them, format them dynamically. By the end, working with text will feel natural, and you will start thinking like a real programmer. Let's begin. A string is text wrapped inside quotes. That text could be your name, a sentence, or even blank space. Think of a string like a chain of tiny characters. Each character sits at a position. Python allows single quotes, double quotes, and triple quotes for multi-line text, short text, long paragraphs. Strings handle it all. Let's create 3 strings, one using single quotes, one using double quotes, and one with triple quotes to show multi-line behavior. After printing them, watch how Python preserves everything, even the line breaks. Every character inside a string sits at a position. Python counts these positions from left to right starting at 0. It also allows negative positions when counting from the end. Positive index equals forward. Negative index equals backward. Here is the word, Python. We will print the first letter, the second letter, and the last letter using a negative index. Observe how indexing gives precise control over characters. What if you don't want the whole string? Just a piece of it? Slicing lets you extract the section without modifying the original string. It's like cutting a portion of a ribbon. The ribbon remains intact. We will slice the word, programming. Watch the output. Backquote 0. 6 backquote extracts characters from index 0 to 5. Backquote 3. Backquote extracts everything from index 3 till the end. Backquote 5 backquote extracts first 5 characters. Notice that the original word remains unchanged. Python allows you to combine strings using the plus operator. And you can multiply a string to repeat it. Concatenation builds sentences. Repetition builds patterns. Watch how we join 2 strings to form a sentence. Then we repeat a symbol to create a pattern. See how Python handles text like building blocks. Python provides built-in tools to clean, search, transform, and reshape text. These are called string methods. Think of them like editing tools for text. We will apply multiple methods to the same text. You will see how each method produces a new version of the string. Watch how spaces disappear, words change, and the text splits into a list. Programs often need to insert values into sentences. Instead of breaking the text with plus signs, Python gives us something cleaner. F-strings. F-strings allow variables to appear naturally inside text. Watch how the variable values slide into the sentence. No messy concatenation, just clean readable text. Once you learn F-strings, you will use them everywhere. Sometimes you need quotes or new lines inside a string. Escape sequences allow that. Triple quotes let you create paragraphs without adding escape symbols manually. Here we insert new line and tab spacing inside a string. Then we print a sentence containing quotes. Notice how Python prints exactly what we requested. Time to apply what you learned. Pause and try each task on your own. Great job. You just learned how to control text like a pro. You now know how to create strings, slice them, join them, transform them, and format them dynamically. In the next episode, we dive into numbers and operators, where Python starts doing real calculations. If you enjoyed learning visually and want more such lessons, subscribe to Notebook Learnings so you never miss the next episode.